Here is video 7. We're pointing towards the sun and we'll go to the bend in the river because the sun is beyond a cloud. Oh, there we get the strobe effect now. There. The early morning sun. And the fog on the horse paddock. And the fog on the river. So if I try to miss the sun, we'll get the fog effect on the river. Here, we're getting it. Can you see the fog? Now there's a bird there, sitting in the water with his arms out. Can you see that shadow effect right in the middle of the picture? Of a bird with his wings out, praising the sunlight. Oh, 2 minutes already. Okay, I think that's enough. Yeah, see the sun's in the clouds, so I can do this video and point towards the sun, and there's your 2-minute video. Good day to you.